This is the famous melt-in-your-mouth carrot cloud cake. Let's start with a blender. Add 500 g chopped raw carrots and 5 eggs. Also add 2 cups of sugar and 160 milliliters of milk. Now let's cover and blend everything really well. Next, we'll pour this mixture into a bowl. Then add 4 cups of flour and mix thoroughly with a whisk. Remember folks, add the flour gradually. After adding all the flour, it'll look like this. Now I'll add the oil. Oops, I forgot to add it earlier. I used 1 cup of oil too. Let's mix it well again. Next, I'll add a heaping tablespoon of baking powder and mix. I'll use my stone pan and line it with paper towels for easy removal. Remember folks, our baking dish here is naturally non-stick. Next, just add all the batter on top. Now let's bake it at 180 degrees for about 45 minutes. After that, we'll flip our ready cake onto a plate. Then remove all the paper. Look how perfectly it comes out, everyone. Using a knife, we'll now cut this cake in half. In another bowl, we'll add 3 boxes of heavy cream. I'll add 200 grams of condensed milk. I'll also add 200 grams of whipped cream. I used 5 tablespoons of cocoa powder here. Let's mix all of this together well. Then add a packet of hydrated unflavored gelatin. Give it another quick stir. Next, take this mixture and add it to our cake. Folks, I lined the pan's bottom with plastic wrap. You can use freezer-safe wrap. Now let's put it in the fridge to set. Once it's firm, we'll add the second cake layer on top. After that, folks, we'll add ganache on top. I used 200 grams of cream for 200 grams of dark chocolate. Just pour it all on top and spread it evenly. For decoration, I use sprinkles. Use as much as you like. Now folks, just slice and enjoy. Look how amazing this carrot cloud cake turns out. It's super quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Take care, everyone. See you next time.